Hello to my lovely family of STDFarms and the one of the growing community on YouTube. We appreciate your support and your great work. We're going to talk about the Balami Sheep Breed today. The Balami sheep was originated from Mali and the northern parts of Nigeria. It's normally white and hairy, long and large ears and tail, rounded face, and the second most expensive sheep breed in Africa apart from the Ladum from Senegal. A matured Balami weighs from 60 to 150 kg. At STD Farm, we intentionally introduce this type of breed to improve the quality of our local and exotic sheep for meat production. We introduce both the pure breed of Balami to have 100% genes and also use the males to cross with our local sheep to get the F1 offspring. That's the first generation, and with 50% genes of Balami breed. Our male Balami ram is called the king. Yes, the king. Look at this local sheep limping off its leg with pains and sorrow. But the king does what is expected from him. No mercy for the cripple. Our king is strong, healthy, and controls its subordinates. Stay tuned with us. Like and share our channel for us to bring you educative and interesting videos like this to inspire you to start farming. Expect more from us, and always remember that STD Farm, we are the best.